Hey everyone, Anthony here. Just a quick video for those of you who want to improve their overall circulation to the extremities, to their feet, to their hands, get the heart pumping without impacting all the joints of the body. We're going to do something called Hands Qi Gong, which means hands swinging gong or Qi Gong. It's really just an aerobic exercise developed to pump the fluids of the body, to improve systemic circulation, to lower stress, to put enough pressure on the legs to create movement, and to get the arms to swing, to get the lymphatic movement in the chest and the upper thoracic area, which is important for our health. So to do this one, I'm in my clinic, so you can do it anywhere as long as you can fit a room. You need to be able to hold your arms in front and be able to swing your arms behind you. Okay, so the movement is, firstly, you step out so that your feet are parallel and that your toes are in alignment. So it's like you're standing on a train track. And then we're going to do like 5 swings. But what we do is we do 4 normal swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we then kind of go into this dip. So the true way of doing it is to do it calm, keep the breath going through the nose. Don't be tempted to breathe through the mouth. And on the 5th one, it's actually what I call a double dip. You do two dips with your knees, 1, 2. It's very gentle. You don't have to go very deep. It's not about depth, it's just about precision and rhythm. It's the rhythm and the swinging that calms the system down, but yet keeps the circulation moving. So there's a nice yin-yang approach to this. Okay, so I'll do quite a few rounds and then you can try this at home. So let's begin. So remember, the swing goes forward, it doesn't go higher than the head, and the arms come back as far as you comfortably can. Okay, so we're going to go start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think you get the idea. So from the front, 2, 3, 4, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down. So that swinging, the minimum time really is 10 minutes, but that constant movement starts to bolster circulation. It forces the blood to go to all the extremities. So obviously very useful if you live in a small apartment or you don't have much time or much room to exercise, but you want to warm up the body, get the circulation moving and calm the body down. And the rhythm is very meditative, that constant. You know, that constant kind of rhythm the body likes, the mind likes, the heart likes. So I recommend try that every day in the morning. It's the best time to do it, but any time of day, but morning is the best time. Stimulates your metabolism as well. Great thing to do before you have any breakfast. So thanks for joining me. That's Swinging Hands. Take care.